बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है ट्रेड बिटवीन ट्रेड वॉर बिटवीन यूएस एंड चाइना, टेंशन बिटवीन यूएस एंड चाइना। Trade war between US and China. Root causes of trade war. Root tension between US and China. Current circumstances of trade war. Impact of trade war. Conclusion. What is trade war? The trade war is an economic conflict. Root causes of trade war. The US trade deficit with China was 419 million in 2008. US exports to China were only 120 billion, while imports from China were 540 million. What is trade deficit? The amount by which the cost of country's import exceeds the value of its exports. Continued. The biggest categories of US imports from China. From US manufacturers to send raw material to China for low cost assembly. Once shipped back to the United States, they are considered imports. China's biggest imports from America are annual trade deficit. Since 2012, the US trade deficit with China has increased. It was 315 million in 2012, rose to 367.5 million in 2015, then fell to 346.9 million in 2015. In just 2 years, it's increased to 9.2 million. Trump's tariffs have raised the cost of imported steel, most of which is from Trump's move comes a month after he imposed and cures on imported. China has become global leader in the solar panel production. The tariffs depressed the stock market when they were announced. Tension between US and China. This is the graph, you can see it. Comparison of real GDP growth between China and the US in different periods, and contribution of China and the US to the world economy in different periods. It's 1960s graph. Evolution of trade in the US and China, change of tariff. Current circumstances of trade war. Current circumstances of trade war. US accused China stealing intellectual property. US-China trade conflict is becoming a technical war. China wants to be the most powerful economic power and the technological leader in the world. They set out their ambition in a plan called Made in China. China teach industry is now so vast and cutting edge. Thank you so much.